Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 3.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Crude oil prices traded higher on higher demand outlook from U.S., Europe, and China with reopening of economic activities, with U.S. futures closing in on 68.72. The Australian dollar paired early gains after the country's central bank stuck to its stubbornly dovish script on policy despite a salvo of upbeat economic data. Coinbase has announced that it has integrated the Coinbase card with both Apple and Google Pay.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 2350 GMT. Australia's gross domestic product at 1:30 GMT, the U.S. Fed's Beige Book at 1800 GMT. The U.S. MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Construction Index at 2230 GMT. The UK's 10-year bond auction at 10:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.